Uh, After a long time, let me explain one software. So, which you can see, which is Origin Pro. So, why we should use this software to analyze the data? So, basically, this Origin software is data analysis and graphical tool. It is widely used in scientific engineering field for the processing and visualizing the data. So it can be used by researcher, scientist, engineer, and student for plotting the graph, conducting statistical analysis, and performing curve fitting. So what are the advantage of using this origin than the simple Excel sheet? So it is very user friendly, where you have a better choice for the publication ready figure. So now if you compare to MATLAB and Python based tool, so basically for the non-programmer, so who have no knowledge of programming, so this is user friendly. You do not need the coding knowledge. Now let me show one example how to plot the graph and how we analyze. So I have my data where I observed the input and output characteristic of my pump light. So I have maximum of 3 watt. So where I have observed the data. So in my pump light, I have optical oscillator on the way. So now I want to check what is the efficiency of my output pump light. So this is data. So I'm going to copy this one. Now, as soon as you copy, so you can directly paste out here, or you can import your data. So click on the cell 1, then paste. So your data has been updated. Now in this cell, so you can see the name, unit, comment, and function. So as of now, I will use name and unit. So this is in my input. And this will be my output. So both the unit is watt, so I have measured them in watt. Now to plot this one, so we click on the second row, then we drag for both. Then you have option to select from this plot, which I'm pointing out here. So you can or you select out here. So I want to have scatter plot. So I click out here. So here it goes. So this is our plot. Now I'm making bigger. So from this one, you can increase your scale by clicking out here. So you can go to scale and you increase your scale depending on what you want. But in my case, the scale look to be okay. Now instead, I'm going to analyze this graph. I want to know the slope. It is the efficiency of output. So in my output, I want to check what is the efficiency. Now, in order to analyze that one, so click on analyze, then statistics. Instead, you need to go to fitting. Then I choose linear fit. We have to choose this graph. I haven't choose. That's why it was not working. Okay. Mm, done. Okay, now just click OK. Then you have option. Do you want to switch to the report sheet. No. Then okay. So here you can see. Now I can write the slope. So in my case, the slope is, you can see out here, this one, 0.826. So I will take a 3 decimal point in intercept, which cross the y at x equal to 0, which is out here, 4.313 exponential minus 4, which means almost equal to 0. So as per my graph, the efficiency is 82%, 82.6%. So which means the input has been reduced in my output after I use the output oscillator. So after this one, so we can export the graph. So in order to export, you just right click in here, export graph, then input output characteristic. So okay, now you have already exported the graph. So if you have any question, you may drop in the comment section, and I can answer your question. Thank you.